Hello children, welcome back to the session. In this video, we are going to learn about computer science. So in computer science, our topic is about MSW logo, the basic commands. So in previous lesson, you would have discussed about MSW logo and introduction. So how the MSW works. So in this class, we are going to learn about different commands which are used in this MSW logo. So MSW logo is a language of a computer in which we can make the program to work. So using some commands and instructions given, we are going to make MSW logo to work. So let us see what are all the basic commands used in this program. So the instructions given to the computer are called as commands. So what are commands, children? Instructions given to the computer are called commands, and these instructions are given through keywords. So using keywords, we are going to give some instruction to the command and see MSW working. So logo understands only these commands. So MSW logo will understand only the commands which is already programmed to it. So each of these keywords tell the turtle of logo to perform special kinds of tasks. So which is the turtle, children? Do you remember? Yes. When we are opening MSW logo, at the middle of the window you can see a triangle which is called as the turtle and which makes the commands to work. So those commands are otherwise called as primitives. And when we first start the logo, the turtle is always in the center of the main screen and it is the turtle's home position. So whenever we open MSW logo, you can see the turtle placed at the middle of the window. So that is called as the home position of turtle. First let us see about forward command or FD. So it is used to move the turtle forward. Forward means what, children? Forward means front. So the forward command or FD is used to make the turtle move front in the direction it is facing by specified number of steps. So near FD we have to give the number of steps to be moved. For example, we can give FD 10 or FD 15. So it will move up to whatever number we give as the steps. Yes, and the turtle also needs to know how far it should move. The turtle also needs to know how far it should move. So with the forward command, we should tell the number of steps it should move in the forward direction. So this is how the forward command FD works. So along with the FD, we have to give the number of steps it should move forward. Next, using the forward command, move the mouse pointer to the input box and note that now the mouse pointer changes to the cursor, and click the input box. A flashing bar appears. Type forward or FD. So the input box is present at the bottom of the window, logo window. So there we have to click on with the mouse pointer in order to give command to the screen, and type forward or FD and press the spacebar key. So after typing FD, we have to click on the spacebar key. Type the number of steps, for example 100. So near FD I have to give a space and then I have to type 100. So then click on the execute button or press enter key. So the command window is there, no, the execute button, we have to click on the execute button to make the command work. So we have to click on execute to make the turtle move forward for 100 steps. Next is about the backward command or BK. It is used to move the turtle backward in opposite direction in which it is facing. So the head of the turtle does not change. So using the backward command, the backward or BK, we have to type in the input box. Then we have to give a space and type the number of steps, for example 100, and press the enter key or click on the execute button to make the forward or backward command work. So this is how the forward and backward command work in MSW logo. Next is right command, RT. So not only the turtle moves front and back, it will also move towards right and towards left. So the right command turns the head of the turtle towards right side in the clockwise direction. So in forward and backward command, you would have seen the head of the turtle does not change, but in right command and left command, the head of the turtle will change according to the command given. So if we give right command, the turtle's head will turn towards right in the clockwise direction. Do you all know what is clockwise direction, children? Do you all have clock in your house? So see the clock, how the stick in the clock moves. So that shape is called as clockwise direction. So that direction, the direction of moving of that clock is called as clockwise direction. So the short form of right command is RT. So if we click on RT and give a space and give the number of steps to be moved right side, and when we click on enter key or execute key, the right command will start working. Next is left command, LT. So the left command turns the head of the turtle towards left side in the anti-clockwise direction. So I hope you all are clear with right and left. Yes, children. So which is your right hand? See your hand and tell me which is your right hand. So your right hand is in which you have your foot. That is called as right side, right hand. And left side, you all know the other hand is called as the left. Other side is called as the left. So the command turns the head of the turtle towards left side in the anti-clockwise direction. So right command will turn in clockwise direction, and left command will turn the turtle towards anti-clockwise direction. So opposite to clock, in the opposite direction of the clock, it is called as anti-clockwise direction. So the short form of left is LT. So using the left command, type left or LT, give a space and type the number of steps to be moved, for example 90, and then press the enter key to execute the command given. Next, let us discuss about home command. The home command brings the turtle to its starting position again. At the middle of the window is the starting position or home position of turtle, and the starting position of turtle is the center of the main screen with its head pointing upwards. And we can also draw a plus using home command. As it moves, it will draw a line. So whenever the turtle moves, it will draw a line, it will leave a line behind it. So whenever we make the turtle to move, it will leave a line. And set H command, next is set H command, in which we can use the set H command instead of RT and LT. So instead of using right and left command, we can use this set H command. So it is used to rotate the turtle in the clockwise direction. Next is about the clear screen command or CS. The clear screen command clears the drawing on the screen and brings the turtle to its starting position. Short form for clear screen is CS. So clear screen will clear all the drawing or calculation done on the screen and brings the turtle to its starting position or home position again. Next is clear text command. Clear screen is different from clear text. Clear screen will clear whatever is at the top window of MSW logo, and clear text will clear the list of commands enter in the recall list box at the below. Yes, at the bottom of the screen we have totally 2 screens in MSW logo. So clear screen will clear all the drawings or calculations done on the first or top window, and clear text will clear all the entered command in the recall list box or the second window in the MSW logo. So the short form of clear text is CT. Next is hide turtle command or HT. So it is used for hiding the turtle so that you can see the drawing clearly. Hide turtle will hide the turtle. Hiding means what? Going and hiding somewhere. So have you all played hide and seek, children? Yes. So hiding means what? Going somewhere else without we couldn't see. Yes, that is called as hiding. So hide turtle will hide the turtle and hide the turtle, and then give a command like FD 50 or whatever command we give. We cannot see the turtle, but the turtle will work from inside. So the title will still draw a line even though it is hidden. Again the turtle will draw a line, but we couldn't see the turtle. So short form of hide turtle is HT. Next one is show turtle. So if we hide the turtle, we have to make it to show. We have to see it. Yes. So for that, if we want to see the turtle, we can give show turtle command or ST. So after the hide turtle command is given, we can make the turtle reappear on the screen by giving show turtle command or ST. Next is repeat command. What is repeating? Doing it again and again. Yes. So using this repeat command, we can instruct the logo to repeat the action for a given number of times. So we have to ask the command to do this much number of time, or the total number of times. If we give a number, the command will be repeated again and again. So we have to instruct the logo within two things here in repeat command. So which command to repeat? So if we want the left command to repeat or the right command to repeat, we have to mention that. So RT space 50. If we are giving right side, it has to move for 50 and we have to make it repeat. So for that, after giving the right command, below that we have to give this repeat command to make the operation repeat again. So using this command, we can draw a square in single step. So using repeat command, we can make the turtle to draw a square in the window. So we have to compulsorily mention which command to be repeated and how many times it to be repeated. Next is by command. So we can close the MSW logo using the by command. So using by means what? So you are signing off or going out somewhere. If you are going out from your house, you will say bye to your parents or your sibling. Yes. So the same way, by command is used in MSW logo also. To close the program, we have to type by in the recall list box in order to close the program. Yes, children. So I hope you would have understood the lesson well. It is an easy lesson, children. Yes. So we saw about how the command works in MSW logo: right, left, clear screen, clear text, repeat and by command. So these are some of the commands which we saw in this lesson. A very interesting and useful lesson for you, children. So let us meet in the next video. I hope you will complete the slip test given along with this lesson and send it back to me. Thank you, children. Bye.